What's going on, YouTube? Today I'm diagnosing my 2008 Honda Accord. Ran and drove fine just a couple minutes ago, and all of a sudden now it doesn't want to start. Here's my 2008 Honda Accord. I literally just drove it. Battery terminals are tight. All the lights light up. If anybody can help me diagnose what's going on with my car, it has full lights. It wants to start, but then it acts like it's a dead battery. See, nice and tight. Nice and tight. Nice and tight. Literally, the motor's still hot for me just driving it. So if anybody can please give me some advice on what I can look at, we greatly appreciate it. Please comment below. Like, share, and subscribe.